yeah. À, tình đi nhai. Lucky cái này ni là wiper đấy bê. Oh. Lấy the quavo. 6-pound line.
Yeah.
Oh. These are very lucky.
Wow.
Oh, bro.
I think, yeah.
If I tie inside, it's broke. So I tie the dip here. It's stronger.
Nice.
Yeah. Go in there and go in there.
She likes to fish, don't she?
Mm-hmm. There's a Halloween. My granddaughter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Walleye, I think. Motherfucker. It's big. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh!
I told you that bait worked.
Yeah, motherfucker.
Yeah, Bobby.
Yeah. Yeah. Walleye, right?
That's what I've been after.
Yeah.
What did it bite on?
I use a jig head.
Okay, jig?
A jig head and the bright color.
Yeah. How far out?
It's a river bend, man. You had only one jeep. Only one jeep, slowly.
Okay.
They're not, only 1.8 pound or 1 inch outside.
That's a good walleye. That's
Yeah.
what I've been after for days.
Yeah.
Nice. Congratulations.
Yeah. Ah.